Start trading on MEXC now. Get your $10,000 bonus when you register. Link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your daily source of the hottest crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. ETH tanks 7% $600M in longs, gone as market carnage broadens. Among the battered assets, Ether led the carnage, falling 7% and dragging down the broader CoinDesk 20 index. Over $600 million in leveraged positions were liquidated, with ETH alone accounting for about $235 million. Ether broke key support levels, triggering a wave of margin calls and forced unwinds. The sudden breakdown hints that panic, not just fundamentals, is driving traders out. Still, a floor might be forming just below $4,100, where some buyers surfaced. The trend remains fragile. If that zone fails, we could see further downside. Recovery, if it comes, will need strong hands to absorb re-entry. Flash crash unleashed. $7B vanishes in minutes as trade war scares hit crypto. A sharp flash crash jolted crypto markets, erased $7 billion in positions, and dragged Bitcoin more than 10% lower as geopolitical risk re-emerged. President Trump's announcement of a potential 100% tariff on Chinese goods sparked panic, triggering massive sell orders across BTC, ETH, SOL, and XRP, many in the range of 15–30%. Bitcoin dropped below $110,000 in the span of hours, while altcoins plunged deeper. The speed of the move overwhelmed markets, causing cascades of forced liquidations. Analysts liken the drop to COVID-era extremes, calling it a nuke-level shakeout. The crash underscores how quickly macro shifts can snap crypto out of complacency. $16B wipeout. Crypto faces long crawl back after liquidation tsunami. The crypto markets were pummeled by a dramatic purge of leveraged positions, with $16 billion in bullish bets liquidated across major tokens like Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, and Solana. The magnitude of the liquidation suggests that the ensuing recovery will likely be drawn out rather than swift. Market makers may need time to rebalance and arbitrage discrepancies between spot and futures. Liquidity will be thin going into the weekend, making sharp rebounds harder. If US, China trade tensions intensify, the downside risk grows. Traders will be watching for where new support holds and whether buyers step in once the overshoot of forced liquidations fades. OG Whale puts $438M bearish bet on Bitcoin. Is the tide turning? An early-era Bitcoin OG trader has placed a massive short bet. 3,600 BTC is approximately equal to $438 million on the hyperliquid exchange, signaling a bold bearish play. This same whale sold 3,000 BTC in the spot market earlier this week, and just a month ago exited tens of thousands of BTC to lean into ETH. The liquidation threshold for their short stands at $139,900, meaning the trade has room before it's forced closed. Though the broader market is battered, pricing remains volatile and sentiment brittle. A big short from a veteran adds psychological pressure. Market watchers will be tracking whether other whales follow suit or move to defend this bet. XRP freefalls 40%. Moments later posts miraculous rebound. XRP endured one of its wildest sessions ever, plunging as much as 42% intraday, from a high near $2.82 to a low of $1.64. Intense liquidation sweeps and massive futures unwind drove margin stress. Later, it clawed back to around $2.36. Volume exploded over 164% above the 30-day average, signaling a capitulation event. In futures markets, open interest dropped by $150 million amid long liquidations. Despite the collapse, some late buyers stepped in, stabilizing the price into the close. The move underscores how volatile and over-leveraged XRP can be, yet also how quickly volatility invites sharp reversals. Traders now watch whether $2.30, $2.35 holds as a pivot zone. Those were today's top crypto news. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. A brand new video drops tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description.